Hello guys, in today's video we will be looking at how to install DHCP in Windows Server 2016 using PowerShell command. First, what DHCP stands for? It stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. And what is DHCP? It is the automatic assigning of IP address to client machine logging into an IP network. So let's go and install our DHCP using our PowerShell command. This is my server, and then I will just press the start key and select PowerShell, and we tap install. Windows feature, and the feature name is DHCP, and we include all sub feature and all management tools. We just hit enter. Now we are installing our DHCP roles and feature. So this is how we can install DHCP on Windows Server 2016 using the PowerShell command. Now we have installed our DHCP roles. So it's just telling you you must restart this server to finish the installation. So what we do, we just restart computer. We just hit enter. So now we are restarting our server. So now we have installed our DHCP roles and feature. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment. Thank you again.